The Muslim Ummah is sleeping while Israel commits genocide. Even our leaders doze deep, like they've swallowed 100 sleeping pills. Gaza's a slaughterhouse. 47,000 souls ripped away, mothers clutching lifeless babies, homes turned to ash. Israel's genocide stains the earth red. Undeniable. Amnesty, the UN, the ICJ see it clear. But where are the shepherds of our faith? Silent as the graves multiply, their quiet chokes us, oil flows to killers, flags banned, our cries ignored. This isn't apathy, it's betrayal, a wound festering in our hearts. Watch, feel, rage. Truth demands it. Picture this, 2023. Israel flattens Gaza. Churches, hospitals, whole families erased. By 2025, Gaza's health ministry counts 47,000 dead, 70% women and kids. Oxfam clocks 250 deaths a day, a slaughter unmatched this century. Homes, over 50,000 razed since '67, B'Tselem says. Soldiers raid houses, killing like the Abu Labans in Hebron, 2022. 2 shot, home crushed. UN reports from March 2024 cite credible rape claims at Al-Shifa. Women defiled before their kin, then murdered. It's hell. 2 million caged in Gaza. Jim Carrey called it an open-air prison in 2014. Now, no rainwater. Israel bans it, Amnesty notes. 4 hours of power daily, OCHA says. Hospitals die, kids starve. Over 80% of farmland's gone. Deliberate famine. Raz Siegel calls it genocide. Intent to erase, clear as the corpses. This is annihilation. And Muslim leaders? Death. Let's dig into their silence. Why no sound? Power games. Rumor has it Saudi struck a sideline deal. The US protects the royal family, and in return, Saudi pumps oil to Israel. Quiet on Gaza's genocide. Posts on X whisper it. No hard proof. But look, Saudis cozy with Washington, $3.8 billion in US aid props Israel's bombs. Turkey's hushed too, still supplying oil to Israel, despite Erdogan's rants. Energy ties trump tears. Self-preservation's next. Regimes like Saudi, Egypt, UAE, they fear their streets. Gaza's agony fuels rage. Jordan, Morocco flare up. Act bold and that fire turns inward, cracks their crowns. Saudi bans, Palestine flags. Talk of its taboo. Dissent's a ghost there. Turkey growls but won't bite. Oil flows on. Then betrayal runs deeper. UAE, Bahrain normalized with Israel. Abraham Accords 2020. Saudis edging there, eyeing US tech, defense packs. Gaza's a thorn in their profits. Why scream? Even Pakistan with nukes stares at India, not Palestine. Oil and deals outweigh blood. 47,000 dead, and they count coins. The Ummah's sold out. By who? The toll? Gaza's children, 95% scarred, UNICEF says, grow in a tomb. 5 million refugees barred from home, while settlers torch 18,000 olive trees in 2023. Anadolu counts. ICJ's 2024 ruling, occupation's illegal, changes nothing. Israel keeps killing, 700 dead in home raids since 2000. But B'Tselem logs. This silence isn't neutral, it's a nod. No embargoes, no sanctions, just shrugs. The UN's ceasefire pleas, dust. Israel's untouchable, Western arms, Arab oil. Gaza's not dying, it's being scrubbed out. And the Hadith warned us. Sahih Muslim, Book 41, says near the end of times, Muslim leaders will abandon the Ummah, leaving us to tyrants, cowards trading faith for thrones. Prophecy unfolds. Saudi bans the flag. Turkey fuels the enemy. The Ummah's forsaken, and they're the hands letting it slip. 47,000 gone. Homes stolen, women raped, kids starved. While Saudi whispers oil deals, Turkey pipes fuel, and leaders ditch us, just as the Hadith foretold. This isn't Gaza's fall, it's our shame. We can't stay blind. To Gaza's people, forgive us. We watch your blood spill, your homes burn, and do nothing. Hands tied, hearts heavy. Your pain shames us. Your strength humbles us. We beg your pardon for our sleep, our silence.